Hello everyone, I'm Rohit Srivastava from foodfinder.com and this is the first vlog for 2018. We are out in Cuttack for a breakfast vlog. So today we are going to have Punya Dahi Vada. Punya Dahi Vada is in Bidanasi. Let's explore more about this place. So he's just setting up the shop. So we are the first customers to this place today. He's just setting up the shop and oh wow, looks sensational. We'll give him some time to set up the shop. I was introduced to this place by my friend Rashmi Bhai. Rashmi Bhai introduced me to this place. I never knew about this place actually in Cuttack, but he introduced me to this place. And he's a regular to this place. Like, how many years you've been coming here?
From past 1.5 years.
For past 1.5 years he's been coming to this place.
This guy, actually a friend of mine, this guy, he's actually having this from his childhood days.
So, it's a pretty old shop. कितने वर्ष से पुराना दुकान से बैठा?
40-45 वर्ष.
So 40-45 years old shop in Bidanasi. Specializes in the Bidanasi style of Dahi Vada.
Popular in Cuttack city. It is a very old item. People used to take tiffin, dahi vada, aldam, ghuguni. Ghuguni is made up from mutton. It is very famous.
You have been a regular to this place.
Yes,
like
yes,
for
yes.
how many years?
From the last 45 years.
45 years?
Yeah, his father was selling.
Yeah.
Last 5 to 6 months, his son is coming to sell here.
Okay.
He is only business only for 2 hours only.
Right, in the morning.
In the morning.
Okay.
9 to 11. Hardly.
9 to 11.
Thereafter you will not get it.
Right. Thank you so much. In Odisha, Dahi Vada Aloo-Dum is absolutely the soul food. But again, if you put filters, probably the Cuttack Dahi Vada will be the most popular one, and probably, among the foodies they rate it as the best in Odisha. Again, in Cuttack, if I put down filters, so the Bidanasi style is very unique, very special. It has been popularized by the very popular Raghu Dahi Vada. And this guy over here is, the shop is 40 years old or 45 years old, and they are also one of the most popular shops in Bidanasi. So the Bidanasi style is you use there are no extra toppings on top of your Dahi Vada, nothing fancy on top of your Dahi Vada. They have Aloo-Dum, Dahi Vada. Maybe this fellow gives ghuguni. But ghuguni is also given a mess normally, and you have to use your fingers. They don't give spoons. That's the interesting part. So you have to do it in a desi way. So let's go and try out. Let's get our plate of Dahi Vada. So this is my plate of Aloo-Dum Dahi Vada. Bare minimum, the purest form. We have the Dahi Vada, we have the Aloo-Dum, and a little bit of topping of green chilies and that, I think that's it, coriander. So we have a very basic topping on top. This is the most simple form of Dahi Vada you'll get in Cuttack, apart from Raghu Dahi Vada. So let's dig into this. We don't have spoons. We have to dig in our fingers. Start with the bara. Tender, soft, very soft. I absolutely love Dahi Vada when it is this soft. This just breaks. Let's try the Aloo-Dum. It is spicy, very spicy up. Gives a kick in the morning. The perfect morning breakfast that you can look for on a weekend. But to mix this, some of the chili and the aloo dum. This is excellent. So, no wonder why people throng this place. For the past 40 years, they have been coming. Some of the regular customers have been coming to this place for the past 40 years. The father used to, Punya Bhai used to come like earlier, but now his son has taken over. He makes a point that he comes at 9 o'clock. The stock is over by 11 o'clock. That's what the customer said. So if you are in Cuttack and if you are looking out for some amazing breakfast options, do come to this place, Punya Bhai. I'll drop a link, the location, the Google Map link in the description below. The aloo dum is sensational, very spicy. It's a kicker. I'm floored by the dahi vada. It is damn soft. It just breaks off. It's so soft. This is a must try. So how do you like to have it? You like it with the ghugni?
Yeah.
You like it with the ghugni?
Yes.
Not the Bidanasi style, which is only the dahi vada and the aloo dum.
And the aloo dum. No, I have a weakness for this dahi vada aloo dum, so I cannot miss anything here.
Okay.
So each and every item is awesome and authentic Bidanasi style of dahi vada aloo dum with no toppings, nothing. The thing is that you have to use your hands to eat.
Yeah.
This is the old tradition method of eating dahi vada aloo dum in Bidanasi. So he has kept all that.
Okay.
That's the reason why I have come here.
And to end it, we'll go and have some of that buttermilk. Just to end up perfect breakfast, we need that buttermilk to wash it down. This is the buttermilk. So perfect way to end a great breakfast with this buttermilk. So that's it from Food Finder today. I'll drop a link below. If you are interested to come to this place, do come and check out this place if you are looking out for breakfast options in Cuttack. So that's it.
You'll take dahi after the
Yeah.
YouTuber can